Sarins here with a, let's see that, LL lock pinned by JP Mcpinning. So that lock is super smooth. There we go. There's the bitting on the key. So we're gonna see if I can get this thing open. And JP wanted me to try to pick this, and he wanted an honest opinion of it. So I think I'll try to give him an honest opinion of it. It's got a lot of slack in it. That's my honest opinion. A lot of play in it. Alright, we'll start the back of the lock. Let's see if that'll focus a little better. Alright. Let's see how many pins this thing is. 245 on the key. Yep, I count 5. Alright. And here we go. Little binder on 4. Whoop. Alright, it ain't wanting to give nothing. There's 3. Little movement on that. Little click. There's 2. Little counter. With a click and a grind. Alright, little counter on 1. With a click. Little counter on 2 with a click and a grind. Little click on 3. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. So popping on 3. That's kind of weird feeling. There's a click on 2. Alright, I think that was 3. Little counter there. I think. Ain't quite ready, so I'll come back to it. 4 and there's a little note. There's a click on 5. Nothing on 4. There's a counter on 3, but it don't want to. I'm going to try to go back. There it goes. We'll click on 3. Drop 5. Alright, everything's feeling solid now. I'm going to try to get a little deeper hook back here on 5. Nope, thought that would do it. Go back to my other one and see if 4 wants to. 4 is acting like it wants to do something. I think I got a little click on 4. Wow. 3 fail. There's 3. And 5 fell. Alright, we're going to be going back and forth. And 5 fell again. Alright, JP. What have you done to it? Three solid, 4. There's a 4. And 5 fell again. That darn 5. There's something fishy with it. Lost my false set on it that time. Got it back. Alright, there's something going on with 5. There it is. That's 5. Alright. Pretty doggone good. Made my hand cramp up. So we are open on whatever is in 5. So that's gonna be there it is. Five just kept falling, and really 3, 4, and 5. Kind of all 3 of them give me trouble. Maybe right there. There we go. And there is the pins all working. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and there's some tweezers. Zoom in just a little. So I'm kind of halfway see what I'm seeing. Maybe if I can get in the camera. Alright, number 1 is a spool. Dump them springs out because he's a sneaky guy. Number 2 is an acid. There it is. Number 3 is a double spool. Number 4 is a drunken spool. All right. Staying in camera. I gotta get better at watching. And number 5 is an acid pen. Why in the world did it keep dropping? Alright, let's see what we got in here. Looks like the Bible is. Looks like the Bible's clean. Well, yeah, it's going to be clean. There ain't no way to get to it. Well, I mean, you could probably. I've drilled the bottom out before. Drill a hole in there, and then go in and thread it, and then fill it with some JB Weld. I've done that before. Alright, anyway, let's get back to this. I'm going to populate it, and then we'll take a close look at all the pins so we can see what Mr. JP has done. Alright, that looks pretty doggone good. Alright, number one was it's just a spool right at, it's right at the shear line. That's nice. The ASA pin. Hang up nice. You got this double spool, which, if that was cut a little bit lower, that other one would have come into play there. And you had this drunken spool and an ASA pin, and it looks like the center has been serrated too. Serrated the center of that ASA pin. So pretty doggone nasty right there. Very nice. And focus. And let's see what he's done with the key pin and the plug. I'm sure there's some counter milling. Yep, there's counter milling. And where's my, there it is. Alright, number one is standard. Number two has, focus better. There we go. Number two is counter mill. 3 serrated, 4 standard, 5 is counter mill. So where the 2 ASA pins was counter milled. Very nice. Alright, we had a serrated key pin in one with the spool and a brass spring. A single serration key pin in 2 with the ASA pin and a black spring. There's a couple of little fine serrations there on that key pin. Double spool. Another black spring. There's a single serration key pin with the drunken spool. They all got the same springs. And a standard key pin with the serrated ASA pin. Which chamber was serrated? Number 3 was serrated. So you had the serrations catching on that. So very nice job, JP. Very nice. And I think I got that from Super Llama. So thanks for sending it, Super Llama. Thank you for making it, JP. Be legal, and God bless.